All right. Our second speaker of the session is Michael Schleicher from Semikron Danfoss. And he'll be talking to us about classifying additive electronic manufacturing technology from 2D to 3D and from simple to complex systems.
Hello and welcome. It was a pleasure for me to be invited to speak on this TechBlick event. Yes, so currently a little overview on a brief introduction of myself. So my name is Michael Schleicher. I'm with a company called Semikron Danfoss. Semikron Danfoss is not that familiar known with printed electronics or something like that. So the company Semikron itself is related to power electronics. So many of our products are or could be found when you use the Autobahn, when you drive home tomorrow and you see some windmills and there is the sign of Vestas. Inside you find Semikron power modules. As well, we use the power modules for regenerative energy creation, let's say generation. So and therefore we are looking how we can use such new technologies to reduce the size of our product, so the power module product, as well as we can reduce the size of our driver electronic. So now let's look what is these two pictures. So you see this honeycomb structure. This is one of our PCB. Formerly it was in a green one, and then we switched the design. Is it possible to use additional functionality by using the printed electronic approach, the additively manufacturing approach? And yes, and this is the idea. Well, currently I'm in a division of the company, and the name of the group is Multidiscipline Engineering. So I think it could be an opener to look on different approaches. Yeah. Okay. Moment. Check up. Okay. So yes, we saw that hype cycle as well, but from my understanding, I check if there's not. I looked, there's no pointer. Okay, I think you also know that within the printed electronic community, you know that, yes, we are on the hype cycle, and there it's for additively manufacturing principle, not only for printed electronics, so it's also implementing for mechanical printed stuff. So I hope we are in this gradient of increasing and creating benefits for the complete supply chain. But at the end, we need to discuss on the general type of products, but also we need to look on the individual type of products and also on the individual type of manufacturing process and methods. Yes, and now I think it's time not only to look on the technology, the materials, it's also time to look on the back end, how we can do designs. And this specifically is also my job day by day. I'm a PCB designer as well. So the next idea is, okay, buzzword, so digital warehouse. We all know that could be one of the benefits by using such digital technologies. We are now able to use digital twin systems. But on the other side, when we're increasing the complexity, it's not only that we can scale up by using more and more printers in parallel or in the digital warehouse, we also need to check up what is the complexity faced by doing testing by one step to the next step, but also to have testing on the application level, not only process and material level. And this must be also covered. And due to this, the question came up, okay, is the digital warehouse from the perspective of additively manufacturing of electronic an approach that could be reached in a short time? And yes, the third trend, this is, I think we also heard it in the keynote in the morning, system in package, the packaging, advanced packaging, this is from the perspective of a singular, let's say silicon packaging, but from the perspective of complex systems, we need to look, is it possible to implement the more and more different functionalities within one, let's say, system or application to increase the benefits of the technology. So system and package is a third buzzword.